See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-in Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-in Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
Are you guys ready? Are you ready to make it easy to prep your food with these 6 beautifully crafted, durable, lightweight, easy to handle, and affordable stainless steel mixing bowls by Fine Dine? Hi, I'm Joey Perez and welcome to my kitchen. Like me, you'll love these stainless steel, polished mirror finish nesting mixing bowls that come in easy to estimate 3/4, 1.5, 3, 4, 5, and 8 graduating size cords. The bowl set allows you, the cook, to be well equipped for serving and mixing salads, preparing your breakfast with all the perfect touches, marinating for the grill, and mixing all those delicious ingredients to end your meals with a perfect dessert. Premium quality stainless steel bowls with commercial grade metal that can be used as both mixing bowls and serving bowls. These metal bowls won't stain or absorb odors and resist rust for years of durability. An easy to grip rounded lip on the stainless steel bowl set makes handling easier, while a generous wide rim allows contents to flow evenly when pouring. The beautifully designed flat base stabilizes the silver bowls, making mixing all the easier. What I love about these stainless mixing bowls is the space-saving stackable design that helps declutter kitchen cupboards, while the attractive polished mirror finish on the larger mixing bowls adds a luxurious aesthetic look. This incredible stainless steel mixing bowl set from Fine Dine is refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe for quick and easy meal prep and cleanup. Best of all, they make a great gift set that anyone would love. What are you waiting for? Get yours today.